Hi guys, those who doesn't know me, my name is Harry. Please click the subscribe button. You here because you need leads, you need training to start your online business. To make a success in online business, you need the right tools. Where are you going to find the right tools? In my description below, you will find the right tools for the right job. We're going to give you the training. Just follow the steps. In that free book that I give you, it's 7 steps to start your online business. Do you have a passion for that? To start your online business? Where do I start? What is the first step? Questions that's been asked. First of all, you want to quit your job. Then make money online. Have free time. That's the 3 most important things that everybody wants. But yes, it's coming with some questions. I have so many questions to ask you. That's all the affiliates always asking, especially if you just start your online business. And the first question is, how do I drive traffic? What niche should I get into? What's the formula for setting up a successful funnel? Yes, and then it is, how do I even get started with all this? Guys, what we need is a Gmail account. Let's go and open a Gmail account. Let's put in there Gmail. Or any email will do. It's not necessary, it must be a Gmail account. And we can create a Gmail account. Okay, after creating your Gmail account, we must get a domain. Guys, I prefer GoDaddy for a domain. Let's put in GoDaddy. I'm into GoDaddy. Visual IT. .co.za. Let's open it. Oh, domain today is $80. Oh, that's quite good. But yeah, they can host domains, emails, names, what do you need? They can supply you with. Let's add in there business and see if it is available for your domain, to see what's pricing and what they can give us today. Let's wait. Yes, it's open. Okay. .co.za has been taken. But there is business with 3 S's. That's available for $80. Yeah, no, that's good. Oh, and if you go and click on that question mark on top of that, $80, you will see that's going to be 99 each and every time from there on. Yeah, thank you guys. This is where we go with the domain, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. To subscribe to my channel, grab your free ebook down in the description. It's absolutely free, 7 steps. See you in my next video for the next training. Remember, there's 4 methods to drive to become an affiliate. Thank you.